writer friends. Happy new moon. Let's pull a card for bringing more gentleness into our writing practice. That's come up in a lot of the one-on-one readings that I've done for you all, and for myself as well. And there's so many avenues into gentleness in our writing practice, which, for the record, gentleness does not necessarily mean slowness, so don't leave. But we can bring it in through compassion, through sensory awareness. There's so many options. So let's pull a card to see where gentleness wants to take us in our writing this month. And if you're new, welcome. I'm Meg Heyerts. I'm the author of Tarot for Beginners and the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their project. I've got the Modern Witch deck here by Lisa Sturl. And we have a jumping card for gentleness. King of Swords. Okay, this has come up for a number of you recently. The King of Swords is not always known for being gentle, but can can be very discerning. Um, and and we're really and is an expert in thinking. And so for me, often to get into gentleness, I get out of my head. But the King of Swords is actually challenging us to find the nuance in our thoughts that is gentle because I think a lot of you are getting to a culmination point in your writing projects, whether you're finishing it or coming into a new awareness, new understanding, or just finishing a chapter. Um, you've built a paradigm, you've built a world within the piece. And with the King of Swords, we're really getting into just polishing the nuances of that paradigm. And so just kind of chiseling smaller and smaller and smaller. And getting into just kind of the granular revisions of the paradigm of maybe of the sentences if you're at that point, but maybe just in terms of the ideas themselves and how you're constructing them. So find gentleness in precision this month. That's the challenge for us from the cards. So have fun with this. And we've got two workshops coming up this Friday and next Tuesday. If you're in the middle of a project and you're feeling middle of the project feelings, please come write with us. We will turn all of the muck and the mire into inspiration and camaraderie and direction and fun. And if you're just starting a project or restarting or revising the beginning of a project or want to get back in touch with the foundations of your why, and of your characters' whys, join us on Tuesday for what is it? Creative clarity, focus, and momentum. I'll put those links in the chat. Creative confidence, re-enliven your writing project is Friday. All right. Take care. Happy creating.